Welcome to your national weather update. Plenty going on over the next few days. Make sure you stay up to date with the forecast. There are warnings in place. We start with one overnight tonight as the rain returns to western Scotland. It's been a fairly soggy day. Rain easing for a time, but more rain coming in through the early hours could cause some problems. Certainly a lot of spray and surface water on the roads. The rain will also return across Northern Ireland, staying quite windy here. In fact, the breeze picking up everywhere, but staying fairly light across East Anglia and the southeast. Maybe a little bit of drizzle here and there in the south, but for most of England and Wales, it's a dry night, a fairly cloudy night, and a pretty mild night as well, with temperatures in some towns and cities remaining in the teens. On to Tuesday's details, and, well, we start pretty wet across Scotland, but quite quickly that rain should start to clear from the west. A soggy morning perhaps through the central belt and for Belfast, but the rain edging away here too, and then lingering through the day across much of West Wales, and rain also fairly persistent come the afternoon across northwest England, trickling towards the Midlands, some getting to the east of the Pennines and northern parts of Devon and Cornwall as well. But East Anglia, the southeast, probably staying dry and reasonably bright and pretty mild here actually. Temperatures likely to get to 19, perhaps even 20 degrees Celsius. Brighter skies come the afternoon across northern Scotland, but staying fairly blustery. Temperatures for many in the mid-teens, but obviously feeling cooler than Monday through this central slice with the outbreaks of rain, which will continue into Tuesday evening. Pushing south, but then grinding to a halt. And actually that rain then starts to push back further north as we head through Tuesday evening. Some heavy rain out west. This is a circulation. This isn't a developing area of low pressure. That's why it's going to get so windy on Tuesday night and Wednesday. It's being picked up and intensified by the jet stream. A bit of uncertainty about its exact track, and that will have an impact on where the strongest winds are and exactly how strong those winds are. But it looks like being a blustery day everywhere on Wednesday, and that low will also take heavy rain across Scotland, a band of rain sweeping across England and Wales. But those winds, as I said, a cause for concern. A large yellow warning area in place at the moment for Wednesday, gusts of 55 to 65 miles an hour. That's the most likely scenario, but there is a chance that that low is a bit more intense and brings a smaller swathe of gusts of wind of 70 to 80 miles an hour. That could cause some more serious disruptions. So that's why I say stay up to date with the forecast and the weather warnings, which of course you can always see on our app and on our website. Here's the chart for Wednesday. As I say, there's a bit of question mark about exactly where that track of that low goes, but heavy rain is likely across Scotland. There's that band of rain swinging across England and Wales, but it should zip through fairly smartly because of the strength of the wind, and then we'll have sunny spells following on for most come Wednesday, but also a whole raft of blustery showers packing in on those gusty winds. Temperatures, again, for a time at least, getting into the mid or even high teens, but feeling cooler with those blustery conditions. Staying fairly gusty through the rest of this week as well. For more information on that, you can watch our week ahead forecast on YouTube. And of course, as I said, check out those weather warnings that are on our app and on our website.